Happy shipping! Kasi if I'm gonna be legit, I'm gonna start chikaing ha. Chika na to ha. Chika. I'm gonna be legit. Like, I start to like be scared of what I do now kasi maraming talk and then like, you know, it's like affecting the people na. So parang, why am I starting to adjust? When inside Kuya's house, I was just living life, you know? Didn't have to think of anything. Pero now we have to do that. Kasi, maraming deluluvers. So I'd say, there's nothing wrong with shipping. Just don't force it, you know? When you get an ayuda, then cool. But don't force it. Kasi nga, I'm gonna keep talking about it kasi medyo hot siya. Like genuinely, when I see the ship edits, I get kilig. Kasi cute. Parang, oh, cute. Pero, when I see other stuff, na parang, you're starting to hate on this artist kasi they're also a ship. And then, hindi ship yung ship mo. Ganun. Then you start throwing shade. Bakit? What did the person do? What did the person do? Diba? This is in general. For everyone. Not just us, housemates. Everyone. The whole love team industry. The whole shipping, thing. Not just us. Like, let's just enjoy. Let's enjoy life. Especially us po housemates. We're new to this industry. So, let's be careful with the words naman na tinatapon. Tinothrow. Be careful with the words we, post. Be careful. Lahat po kami may feelings. So, just imagine guys na yung sinasabi nyo, sinasabi din sa mahal nyo sa buhay. Imagine it's towards your mom, towards your kapatid, towards your dad. Imagine. Diba, you'd be hurt. Bakit mo yung sinasabi? Like that. Kasi maybe you'd say, if I say, imagine it's you, baka sabihin mo lang, hindi mo ma-hurt. So, careful with the words. Words are powerful. Yeah, spread the love. Where are you going, mother? Oh. Now? Bakit early? Oh no. Yung feeling mangitian ni Bini Kalat. Parang I won in life na. Happy birthday, Denise Veras. How do you invite people ba? Favorite Beanie song, Lagi. And then they made another tono in the concert. I'm like, bruh, crazy. Happy birthday, Shena. Paano ka magtamporin? Ganito. Ganon. Ooh. Yung glasses ko, black siya before. Pero nag-hike ako, tapos nilagay ko siya sa backpack ko, tapos na-slide ako, tapos naupuan ko yung bag ko, kaya nasira yung glasses ko. G. No, my mom is from Pasig City, my dad is from Bohol, and then boom, nagka-love sila, and then Cebu. Right, mother?
Yeah.
Now, look at my mother.
Isa.
Nag-ready siya kasi makikita niya na si father.
Ano ba?
Mama, uwian mo naman ako, mama.
Ano sa?
Ice cream. Ay, chichirya.
Ay, kami uwi bukas siya.
Yuck!
Joke lang. Ice cream? Anong flavor?
Wala na pala akong boses.
Ito ang magaling daw yung malamig.
Weh, kakasabi lang dito sa comments, huwag daw magmalamig eh.
Ay, pampagaling daw yung short truth yun. Sabi ni Doc Atoy, and Will.
Ah, sige, go. Ice cream. Hindi mo alam what flavor I want?
Pistachio.
Yeah, tama. Let's go. Sige na, mommy. Parang gutom ako. Mag-order ako, ma. I will order. Ka daw, Tita Jen.
Eh!
How many hours have been I on? Oh, 1 hour pa lang pala. Sawa na ba kayo? Sobrang cool ni Mommy Jen. Ano masasabi mo?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right. Hello, Rain, go away daw. Go away na daw. Babay na ba? What's my full name? Reina Jen Flores Elmar. Hi, Ivan. Who say sorry first? Me.
Mabilis.
Madali. 1 pa nga. So early.
Oh, 1 hour ng biyahe.
1 hour biyahe. Dadating ka doon 11. Ay, 12. Tapos, ano oras flight niya? 1. So, darating siya 2.
Ay, oo nga.
Aga mo. Mag-isa ka lang. Mag-isa ka lang? Kaya mo?
Ano?
Mo pa. Ayaw ko isama. Hindi mag-date kayo. Sige.
Anong yun?
Sabi mo, sama ka. Ayaw mo kasama. I'm tampo already.
Ay, may pala yung sinig sa oras.
Hajima. Cute niyo mag-ina. Ina. Ina kita. Bakit? Mami.
Sinong ina mo?
Ina ka. Ina kita.
Huwag ka ganyan.
Ano ba? Ina kita. Naalala ko yung joke natin. Sinabi ko sa housemates. Alam mo dun sa ano, hotel arrest, tapos nagpapack ka. Tapos sabi ko, wow, you're a mother packer.
Kakatawa.
Mama, mag-order ako.
Order ka. Paano mag-order? Ano gusto mo?
Gutom pala ako. Ayog na.
Ano gusto mo?
Diet na ako.
Tara. Kain tayo. Gano'n ako. Kasi mali pala yung estimate sa time.
Sabi ko nga, ayog mo eh. Tiyan mo. Unsa yung weirdest thing you own, eh?
Ano? Ano gusto mo?
Jollibee. Katakot ko talaga.
Ah.
What do you want, Day?
Ano gusto?
Sabi mo, we're gonna eat together tapos you're busog.
I-order lang kita.
Aww. So sweet naman, Mother Jennifer. Hi daw, Tita Jen.
Hi.
Yun lang.
Hello.
Cute naman ng mama mo, Rain. Ay, kinikilig.
Huwag mo itatapat.